What can weigh up to 12,000 pounds and has 1 inch thick skin, yet can communicate by feeling vibrations through their feet? If you guessed African elephants, you were correct. Did you know elephants have 150,000 muscle units in their trunk? And I thought I was doing good flaring my nostrils. Elephants have such a keen sense of smell that they can detect water 12 miles away. They also have a strong dislike for the smell of chili powder, which is used by farmers in Africa to keep them out of the family garden. Pretty clever. Thanks for watching One Fun Minute. I'm RV.